Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap email to Gmail. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have a domain on Namecheap. If not, purchase one, then go to your dashboard. You'll see your domain listed. Click the server icon, then head to the C panel. Inside the C panel, go to the email account section. You can also access this via the private email section and click Manage. Once you're in email accounts, click Connect Devices. This will display the manual client settings you'll need later. Now open Gmail in a new tab. Click the settings icon, then go to See All Settings and open the Accounts tab. Look for Check Mail for other accounts and click Add a Mail Account. Enter your email address, click Next, and start entering the info from Namecheap, your username, usually your email, your password, the incoming POP server, and the port. Make sure always use a secure connection is checked, and label the incoming messages if you'd like. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.